In this video, we are going to be looking at the Southland 5 foot by 10 foot, 10,000 pound GVW low profile dump trailer, model number SL510-10K. Southland dump trailers are revolutionizing the world of dump trailers as we know it, providing a trailer that is lighter yet stronger. Southland has effectively eliminated the need for cross members under the bed by utilizing a 10-gauge steel floor combined with an engineered sill design. These frame rails are strategically placed to line up perfectly with the tracks and tires of your equipment as they are being loaded. Gone are the days of dips forming in your dump bed between the cross members. This SL510-10K comes with a paint job designed to last with its 4-stage paint process. First, each trailer is shot blasted, removing all of the slag from the steel. This is followed by an acid wash. It is then primed, and finally it is painted with PPG paint and a 2-way hardener. Say goodbye to powder coat paint forever. The GVW of this trailer is 9,990 pounds. The empty weight is 2,670 pounds, giving this trailer a maximum payload capacity of 7,320 pounds. The interior dump bed measures 62 inches wide by 10 foot long. It is 18 inches deep and comes with brackets for easy installation of sacrificial boards, giving you an additional 6 inches of height. The total length of the trailer, including the tongue, is 14 feet, and the width from fender to fender measures in at 82 inches. This SL510-10K comes with a 2 5/16 inch adjustable coupler and a 5,000-pound Sidewind jack. It is a power-up, power-down unit with a dual-cylinder double-acting 4.5-ton hydraulic underbody hoist. It comes with two 5,200-pound axles and a barn door gate that opens from the center. A set of stabilizer jacks slide down from the back corners to keep the unit from tipping while you load your heavier equipment. This unit comes standard with a spare tire mount and spare tire, a set of galvanized punched ramps, a Tarp kit, an onboard battery charger, and D-rings. Some other popular options for this trailer include an aluminum wheel upgrade and a wireless remote. To reserve this trailer, view all of our live inventory, or apply for financing, visit our website at www.breckvilletrailers.com, or to speak with the trailer specialist, pick up the phone and give us a call at 717-262-6383. Whether you are coming from Philadelphia, Pittsburgh, Harrisburg, Carlisle, Hershey, York, or Lancaster, PA, or maybe Cumberland, Maryland, Baltimore, Maryland, DC, Richmond, Virginia, or Martinsburg, West Virginia, we are within a short 2-hour drive away. We are 3 miles west off Interstate 81 in Chambersburg, Pennsylvania, right off exit number 16. As always, we look forward to providing you with a seamless trailer experience.